Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you one of my most cherished experiences, visiting my favorite place. This is a location that holds a special place in my heart, and I'm excited to tell you all about it. So let's begin. My favorite place is Manali, which is a beautiful hill station located in Kulu district of Himachal Pradesh. It is situated at an altitude of approximately 2,000 meters above sea level. Manali is famous for its natural beauty, snow-covered mountains, lush green valleys, and peaceful atmosphere. The BS River flows through the middle of this town, which adds to its beauty. I went to Manali for the first time 3 years ago, and since then, it has become my favorite place. The weather here remains pleasant throughout the year. But in summers, the temperature here stays between 20 to 25 degrees, which is very comfortable. In winters there is heavy snowfall here, and the entire town gets covered with a white blanket. Manali is not only a tourist destination, but it is also a paradise for adventure sports enthusiasts. The journey to Manali is as exciting as roaming around after reaching there. I went to Manali by Volvo bus from Delhi. The journey started at 10 o'clock at night and we reached Manali at 8 in the morning the next day. The night journey was very comfortable because the bus had good seats and I could sleep peacefully. When I woke up in the morning and looked out of the window, I was amazed. There were tall mountains all around whose peaks were touching the clouds. Huge deodar and pine trees stood on both sides of the road. Waterfalls were flowing in some places, whose sound was very melodious. As we were getting closer to Manali, the air was becoming cooler and fresher. On the way we also saw many small villages where people were living their traditional lifestyle. There were apple orchards in the fields, and some farmers were working in their fields.
This scene was so captivating that I couldn't take my eyes off it. When we reached the main bus stand of Manali,
I felt such cold and fresh air for the first time. It was morning time, and there was light fog, which was giving the entire town a magical appearance.
From the bus stand, we took a taxi and headed towards our hotel. The hotel was located in Old Manali, which was at a quiet place a little away from Mall Road.
The name of the hotel was Mountain View Guest House, and this name was absolutely correct, because from our room's window, there was a direct view of the snowy peaks of the Himalayas. The room was clean and comfortable. The hotel owner was very friendly, and he gave us a lot of information about touring Manali. He told us which places are worth seeing and what time would be best to go. After keeping our luggage in the room, we had breakfast at the hotel's small restaurant.
Drinking tea with hot parathas, butter and honey was a wonderful experience.
After breakfast, we went to our room to rest a bit because we were tired from traveling all night. After resting in the afternoon, we decided to go to Hadimba Devi Temple. This temple is the most famous religious place in Manali and is located in the middle of a deodar forest. It took us about 20 minutes to walk from the hotel to the temple. The path was very beautiful because we were going through a dense forest. Sun rays were coming through the tall deodar trees, which were creating a wonderful scene. The architecture of the temple is very unique. It is made of wood and has a huge cone-shaped dome on its roof. After going inside the temple, we had darshan of goddess Hadimba and prayed. The atmosphere of the temple was very peaceful and spiritual. Outside the temple, there is a large ground where children were playing, and some people were sitting on the grass, relaxing.
We also spent some time there and enjoyed the beauty of nature. Near the temple, there is a small market where local handicraft items and woolen clothes were being sold. I bought some woolen shawls and wooden handicrafts for my family from there. While returning from the temple, we decided to roam in the lanes of Old Manali. The narrow lanes of Old Manali, traditional houses, small cafes and shops were a different attraction altogether. The next day, we planned to go to Solang Valley. Solang Valley is about 14 kilometers away from Manali and is famous for adventure sports. At 9 o'clock in the morning, we hired a taxi and headed towards Solang Valley. The journey was very exciting because we were climbing the winding roads of the mountains. On one side there were tall mountains, and on the other side was a deep valley. When we reached Solang Valley, I was amazed to see the view there. All around there were snow-covered mountains, and in the middle there was a huge valley where thousands of tourists were busy in various activities. I first decided to do paragliding. Initially, I was feeling a bit scared, but the instructor made me feel completely safe. When I flew in the air, that experience was unforgettable. The view of the entire valley from above looked extremely beautiful. This 15-minute flight was the most thrilling experience of my life. After landing, I also did zorbing, which is an activity of rolling down a hill inside a large transparent ball. This was also very exciting. At lunchtime we enjoyed Maggi and tea at a local dhaba. Eating hot Maggi in cold weather was a different kind of fun. In the evening we did horse riding and roamed in the surrounding area. The sunset time was very beautiful, when the red-orange rays of the sun were falling on the snowy mountains. On the third day, we planned to go to Rohtang Pass. Rohtang Pass is about 51 kilometers away from Manali, and is situated at an altitude of 13,000 feet above sea level. A permit is required to go here, which we had taken a day earlier. We departed from the hotel at 5 in the morning, because the journey to Rohtang Pass takes a lot of time. On the way, we saw many beautiful places, like Koti, Gulaba, and Marhi. As we were climbing up, the amount of snow on the roadside was increasing. At some places, there were walls of snow 10 to 12 feet high on both sides of the road. When we reached Rohtang Pass, there was only snow all around. This was the first experience of my life, when I was standing amidst so much snow. The cold was very severe, and the temperature was below zero. On the fourth day, we decided to roam on Mall Road of Manali and understand the local culture. Mall Road is the main market area of Manali, where there are shops, restaurants, cafes, and hotels. This road is located along the Bees River, and from here, a beautiful view of the river and mountains is visible. We reached Mall Road at 10 in the morning. Seeing the crowd there, it seemed that Manali is a popular tourist destination. In the shops, Himachali handicrafts, woolen clothes, shawls, caps, gloves, and local food items were being sold. I went to some shops and saw local handicrafts, which were very beautiful. I was impressed seeing the craftsmanship of Himachali people. I bought some wood carving items for my home. At lunch, we ate at a traditional Himachali restaurant. We tasted local dishes like siddu, chagosht, and madra. The taste was absolutely wonderful, and it was a completely new experience. After eating, we also ate some street food while walking on Mall Road. The taste of hot samosas, momos, and tea was very good. In the evening, we sat by the river and enjoyed the peace. Sitting between the sound of water and mountains was an experience like meditation. There we talked to some local people who told us about the culture, traditions, and history of Manali. Seeing their simplicity and hospitality made my heart happy. On the fifth day, we decided to go to Vashisht village, which is only 3 kilometers away from Manali. This village is famous for its hot water springs and ancient temple. We reached there in the afternoon. The village was very peaceful and beautiful. Seeing the traditional houses made of stone, narrow lanes, and the simple lifestyle of local people was a different experience. First we had darshan of Vashisht temple, which is dedicated to sage Vashisht. The 6th day was the last day of our Manali trip. My heart didn't want to go back, but we had to return to our work and responsibilities. After waking up in the morning, I sat on the balcony of my room and looked at those snowy mountains for the last time. I wrote the experiences of this trip in my diary so that I could always remember these moments. After breakfast, we packed our luggage and thanked the hotel owner who had made our stay very comfortable. At 10 o'clock, we reached the bus stand and got on the bus for Delhi. As the bus was going away from Manali, I was looking back and thinking in my mind that I would return here soon. Manali not only showed me natural beauty, but also taught me to look at life from a new perspective. The peace of the mountains, the simplicity of local people, and the beauty of nature. All these things taught me
that the most important things in life cannot be bought with money. Manali, for me, was not just a tourist place, but an experience that changed me. This is why Manali is my favorite place, and I try to go there at least once every year. So friends, this was the story of my favorite place, Manali. I hope you enjoyed listening to this detailed account of my journey.